Are you facing a yellow tint issue on your iPhone 8 Plus? Don't worry. Here are the complete solutions to fix the yellow tint issue on your iPhone. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Turn off the color filter. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap Accessibility. Now tap Display. And Text Size. Scroll down. Tap Color Filter. Now just turn off the toggle. Go back. Now turn off Reduce White Point. And also Smart Invert. Solution 2. Turn off the night shift. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap Display and Brightness. Scroll down. Tap Night Shift. Now turn off the Toll Off Scheduled. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution 3, Reset All Settings. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tab J. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset All Settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone. If it wants tap Reset All Settings again, make sure that resetting all settings. Be warned because it will reset your settings to default, so make sure to remember your password. After resetting all settings, go ahead and check whether your issue is solved or not. Hopefully you'll find this video helpful. If you did, then drop a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then don't forget to ask them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.